Okay, in this video I'm gonna show you one cool thing I made with a lava farm that I made in survival mode. Okay. Yes, playing one-handed, that is not recommended. Okay, let me close the door. You see that? That's my nether portal. I made it via this lava farm over here. And the cool thing is, I didn't even need a single diamond to make it. Because, well, obsidian can only be mined with a diamond pickaxe. What I did, I used a bucket to place the lava, and then use the bucket again to place the water, putting out any fire the door makes the obsidian. And I used a frame of cobblestone because, well, the cobble stone I have lots of it. So I kinda don't care what happens with it. And the cobblestone is, well, I placed down the frame, then used my flinted steel, and there I had a nether portal. It was kind of like how Dream, you know, the speed runner Dream, how he makes his nether portals. And yeah, that means all the diamonds in my chest, I haven't touched them. And I'm currently working on making enough obsidian to get a crafting table. Sorry, I meant an enchanting table. And I have way more than enough diamonds to do so. Yeah, that's one thing that you can use a lava farm from, because all the lava used to make the obsidian for the nether portal, as well as the obsidian I'm planning to use for my enchanting table, as well as for any possible treasure chests I make. It is all from my lava farm. Yes, it was the one that got blown up by a creeper. And I was able to quickly replace it and get new cauldron and everything. What's So yeah, it wasn't that much of a loss. Sure, it was kind of frustrating, but I went through with it. And it all worked out in the end. So yeah, those are some ways that you could use lava from a lava farm. Now that you know how you set one up. Anyways, Tyson out.